Hi, hello. ExcellentSlides here. We create excellent presentations. In this video, we will together design this minimalistic slide in just PowerPoint. Alright, so as you can see, this slide contains with just some letters, just some sentences, and majority of the colors are hues of black. So, that add a little bit of luxury and minimalism, something like that. So yeah, I decided to choose these colors because I thought it will be really cool design. So let's start creating. Maybe we will start by copying this background. So right click, format background, and now let's change the color by eyedropper and just pick this color. It will be useful. And now maybe start with this page number 1. In this slide I've used 𝙬𝙧 font, so yeah, if you want to use the same fonts, use 𝙬𝙧 font. So it will be easy to create this slide counter. So just copy that, Ctrl C, and now Ctrl V. Now it takes to paste in the same place where it was, so right here. Now maybe let's take this rectangle, so also Ctrl C and Ctrl V. As you can see, it's almost 4 centimeters of height and the width of the slide, so 33.87. And now we can just type this, so 𝙬𝙧 and 96, alright. 𝙬𝙧 and 96. Minimalistic slide, and this beautiful dot at the end, and the color is, I guess, just white. Let me check it. Yeah, that's a pure white. And now we have to place this text in the middle of this rectangle. So select these two shapes and use align object center and align objects middle. You can find this option in, let me check it for you. Yeah, arrange and align, and here you have align center and align middle options. Alright, so now maybe copy this text, so Ctrl C, Ctrl V. But the thing that I want to tell you, that I want to teach you, is kerning. As you can see here, the spacing between letters is a little bit strange, is wider, is longer. So where to change it? I've also created a tutorial about it, so you can check it out, but I will show you now. You have to select this text box and go here, character spacing, and you can here take any preset, default presets, but you can also go to more spacing, and here you can set any points that any amount of points that you want. So in my situation, I decided to take 10 points, and it looks like that. Alright, and now our body texts, we will also, yeah, it is grouped, so let's copy that, Ctrl C, Ctrl V as usual, And now let's regroup. And you may ask how I created this lorem ipsum. That's really easy. There's a really helpful shortcut in PowerPoint. You have to type equals mark lorem, and now in brackets you have to choose digit from 1 to 3. So 1, 2 or 3. And that means how much paragraphs will be generated. So let's choose maybe 1. And now you have to your cursor have to be at the end, and now just click enter. As you can see, lorem ipsum is generating automatically. Yeah, so that's really useful because you can save hours of days of work. And this 01 is the same font but a little bit bolder. It's just medium. As you can see, it was just light, and here just medium. So now let's copy the last body text. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. It is done the same way like this one. And let's preview our work. That was our slide that we was creating now, and that was original. As you can see, the only difference I can perceive is only this main text. So let's place it a little bit below. And now let's compare. Yeah, it's now a little bit too short. Maybe like this one. Yeah, that's, as you can see now, it's almost identical. Alright, so I hope you liked this video. Please give me a subscribe and place a like below if you think this video was valuable for you. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.